Hey guys, welcome back to a craft with me video, and on today's video we're going to be creating some embellishments. I've been kind of getting into using my Willow Lane, so I'm trying to make as many projects as I can with them. I have decided to create these super cute little embellishments, and since I've been getting so many goodies with all the hauls that I've been doing, I figured I'd put them to use and make some goodies. And this is what they look like. So some I did with these flowers, and then some I did with the butterfly, and I think those are the only ones. Yes, so that's what they look like. And then some have the ribbon, and then some I just left alone like that. So let me show you guys what exactly I'm using, because we are gonna make some, so I can show you guys. So first off, of course, I'm using the Willow Lane paper pads, and then I'm also using just plain white cardstock, this pretty gold and like white, well not gold, like vellum with this gold detailing, and then of course some gold foil from Michaels. And the papers that I chose, let me show you the ones that I did cut through, are these right here. And you guys, I purchased a new die, and this is the die. I cut the name off. Let me see if I can find what I did with the, I absolutely don't know what I did with it. Oh, it's Quick Cuts. This is what it is. Quick Cuts cutting dies. And I found this one on eBay because I'm constantly looking for like mini doilies. And you guys, this is super cute. This is what the tiny one looks like, which would be this one up here. And then this is the medium size. And then this is the larger one. And I think they are adorable and super cute and work perfectly well with what I want them to work with. They're good for like rosettes and basically anything that you want to create. So this is another item that I did use in this project. I also used my 1-inch punch and my 1.5-inch punch, and that's just in some of them. I'm going to show you guys. In some of them I did, you see the little vellum in the back, or if not, I chose to do the vellum in a circle, in the small little 1-inch circle, which like this one right here. So I wanted to have like a little bit of variety. The plain white cardstock is what I used to cover the back, just to make it look clean. And then of course the ribbons that I used are the ones that I hauled from Michaels, and they're the ones with the little transparency in the middle. I just thought those would look cuter, so I did do those. And the flowers are the ones that I purchased from Michaels, and these are so beautiful, you guys. They're like sequins. I think every time I go to Michaels I'm going to pick up a pack if I see them. I did pick up the last two, so I'm trying to make good use of them, make a good use out of them. Oh, always happens to me. And I think they look so cute on these little embellishments, you guys. So yeah, that's basically it. They're super easy to make, and let me show you guys all the ones that I've made so far. So here's those three. I use different ribbons, some pink, some of that like ivory, and then like the mint blue. And then these don't have anything on them, and they look like that. And you guys, the butterflies are from the backyard collection from Michaels that I also hauled in a previous video. So you guys, what you basically do is pick out a bigger size, the biggest size of the doilies. All right, I want this yellow one. So you pick out your doily, the biggest one, and if you don't have like the doily, you can use a circle. So all I do is basically put a little bit of glue here, and for this one I'm going to choose to put the little vellum shape on the top, just because I like how that looks. And then you start your layering process. So I'm going to do, I think, this one here, just because I like how it looks. So just add a little bit more hot glue to the back of that. Super easy and quick. And that's what that looks like. And then one of the little gold foils. Place that right on top. And that's what that looks like. I hate these little glue bits. They annoy me so much. And then I'm gonna choose one of these little flowers. I'm gonna choose the pink one. Add some hot glue to the back of that because they're not sticky. They have like this little, like a felt. So you do have to add some type of adhesive. You can also add a pop dot if you wanted to have that a little bit higher look. Well, like puffed up look. More elevated. See that? Super cute. And we're gonna try a different ribbon for this one. We're gonna use this one and see how it looks. I gotta put my ribbon to, actually, I think we could use, I have a lace one that we can use. Maybe I could find this somewhere over here. Yep, I do, you guys. What if we use this one? That'll be fun. I don't think I hold this one because I did go back, you guys. I know, I'm horrible. I ended up going back and getting more ribbon. But I didn't haul it because I've just been hauling so much lately that I thought that I'd just keep that haul to myself. But I did go back, so we're gonna add some hot glue. And then that's what that looks like. And I think it looks so pretty. And just because I like the clean back, I don't like the way that looks. I add a white 1-inch circle. And this is what that'll look like. Okay. Okay. I'm sorry if you hear that noise in the background. My wife is watching something on her phone. But look at that, you guys. Isn't that super easy? I absolutely love the way these turned out. And then we can make another one. And we can do just all the flowers. If you want to just, not the flowers. If you just want to layer the doilies, you can do that as well. So we can do this one. Oh, actually I have the wrong one. We can do this one, the medium one. And then let me bring my mat over here because, oops. Then you put the other one in the center. So you can just layer all of the 3 doilies. I think that's what the die says. It's like a layering die. So that's good. And then I'm gonna make a little center right there and add the little 1-inch vellum. And then we can add a butterfly to this one. Maybe we can add the yellow one to give it a pop. So we can do that. And there you go, you guys. Super easy to make, and you can package them up. You can use the packaging how kind of like the way I do the packaging in some of my embellishments, and give them to your pen pals, and I'm sure they will love them. I am thinking of creating other little projects with the Willow Lane, so definitely stay tuned for that. And yeah, you guys, this is just a quick little video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys like the embellishments, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.